Okay, hi. I am here to record and document my progress so far with my course that I took in Udemy, the complete 2022 Web Development Bootcamp. And so far, I have completed 3 sections. It's mainly about HTML, so the introduction and intermediate HTML, and a simple project or maybe demonstration is just creating your own portfolio website. It's not very intense, it's not complicated, it's very simple. So here is the website that has been created so far just by following along. So it's a simple portfolio. It's like a resume. So the details are not accurate. It's just a placeholder. Everything is just dummy data, a little bit of true for some. So it's just a simple links to another website. There's no return back to home. These are links to YouTube, my YouTube channels. There's a demonstration where I created HTML forms. And here is my Google site that is also a draft. It's just simple HTML hypertext markup language that points out to other links, other sites, and simple table creation and how to create the framework of a website. So we just started by creating the index.html, which is mostly the commonly used naming for an HTML file. And then this contact me HTML and hobbies are just another page, which is this linked. So the image file I created so that I could store and separate the image file. That's it. So doc type HTML is the HTML5. And this is the HTML tag. Inside of it is the head, body, and enclosing those body and HTML. So the basic parts are just inside the body. So by the way, in the HTML header, so there's a meta, just additional information about the code. The character set of UTF-8 just means the encoding of the characters should be standardized in this kind of format. The title is just this part where you can see in the tab. So the HTML table is what I used to format this so that it will be side by side. This will be the first table data, and this whole area will be the second table data. There are other ways to do it, of course, but this is purely HTML. It's just to demonstrate how HTML can be used to a little bit of style and format. Well, not format, just create a framework of your web page. So this is the image. The image tag src is the source. It refers to the root folder, then the image folder, then the file that I have uploaded, and then inside this table row is another table data, which is this group, the H1, the header one, P for paragraph, emphasizing this one, paragraph, paragraph, then the link to another website, and another paragraph. So after this whole table, there's a horizontal line to separate this section to this section from this section. So after that, simply header 3 education, this one, and then unordered list, and the list items are this one in bullet form, another header 3 work experiences. Under that would be another table which has role and number of years, and this is my work experiences in tabular form. Under that is skills, another table just to demonstrate. So that's it. It's very simple and very easy to code. That's it. That's what I learned so far. And another thing is we were taught how to host your website in GitHub. I'm just gonna go to my personal GitHub page. Once you're signed in, you can create your own repository from here. Click on new. I'm not gonna create, so I just typed CV and then I place some description. I made it public so that the website can be accessible. I added the README file and then I created the repository. After creating the repository, you will open that repository and then upload the files from here. Add files, upload files. Initially, this will be blank, but for this video, I'm instructing to click on upload files, then drag and drop the files that you have created, which is those inside HTML personal website documents. Where's that? Over here. I just drag and dropped all of these files and then waited for a few seconds. After upload, then you can go to settings. Where's the settings? There. So this is the repository name. So go on to this pages, and then you will select a branch. Initially, this will be none. Select your main branch, then root, then save. And I think there will be a button here that says publish, and then wait for a few minutes and your site will be published at this link provided by default by GitHub. So there you go. Thank you very much. Let's start.